So I just spent 90,000 rupees on what I thought was the new Apple Watch Ultra 3. But what I got instead was a masterclass in online shopping nightmares. If you buy any electronics from Amazon or Flipkart, you need to watch this video because this experience gave me a mini heart attack. So on February 1st, I ordered the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and it got delivered the next day. So I did an open box verification check. I recorded the video as well. And then there itself, as you can see in the video, I saw that the color of the watch is not the same. I ordered the titanium black, whereas I received a silver one. Now, clearly I could see the color and you can see it too. So there was no doubt in my mind that I didn't want this. I wanted the color, which I asked for, which I paid for. Now, I thought this was just a warehouse mix-up, they put the wrong product in, and I didn't think about it that much. So I sent over the pictures immediately to Amazon, verified that, I received the wrong product, and they would either send me a replacement or a refund. Now, the reverse pickup was supposed to happen by 7th February, and nobody came. I waited till 10th February, and I got no response whatsoever. Again, I contacted the customer care. They said I refused the pickup. I mean, why would I refuse the pickup? It's the wrong item, But then again, they were helpful. They said that they will definitely have it picked up. And this pickup cancellation, this has happened with me before, The agent just cancels it without asking, without coming to your place. And I've complained about it multiple times, but how it is. So the agent came, started verifying the watch, and as you can see from the video, he asked me to charge it. And as soon as he showed me the charger, I was just flabbergasted, that it's Type A. Apple doesn't manufacture Type A. And the charger length was also way too small. It felt extremely light and cheap. The watch itself felt light and cheap. That definitely wasn't Ultra 3. So essentially, I received a clone in an original looking box. The box was exactly this. There was no difference at all. The stickers were there, the serial number was there. It was just the watch was missing. It was basically replaced. The only reason I'm receiving the refund is because of my unboxing video at the time of delivery. And this is a precaution that I've taken since I think 2016 when I got a brick for a phone that I ordered. Back then I ordered a Motorola and I got a brick instead. And that was possibly a 1 week battle with Flipkart that we didn't put the brick in. It came like that. And that time we didn't have an unboxing video. We didn't make one. So after that, I just made it sort of a rule. If I receive an electronic, I will make an unboxing video, possibly an open box verification if possible. My giveaways, whenever you are receiving any kind of product from any online electronic marketplace, just do these 4 things. First is check for the seals. Are the seals intact? If yes, that's a good sign. Then when you do make the unboxing video, zoom in into the serial number. The serial number should be present at multiple places. In an Apple Watch, it's usually on the box, then inside as well, and inside the watch. So let me just open this up and show you quickly. So it's on the box outside, it's over here inside the box, and it's yeah, it's inside here. So all of these serial numbers need to align. They should have the same serial number. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can always check the serial number online. Although there are ways, they can even bypass that. But yeah, this is an important check, I would say. Next, I would say is the weight test. This is a heavy watch. Definitely, it's heavier than this. So this is a heavy watch, and the one that I got was just so cheap. So again, that just felt off. If it does feel off, it probably is. And then, finally, the open box verification, right from you handling the box to you receiving the product, all of that chain of custody, that you should have a video documentation of. There should be no cuts whatsoever. So right from the person who's handing it over to you. You have that video recorded. You don't need to record the person itself, just that you're being handed over by the executive. You're opening it, you've seen the product, and you haven't tampered. It's just to safeguard your investment. And yeah, if you follow this, you won't have any problems. So my takeaway is that scams are getting sophisticated. The logistics are getting messier. Don't trust the brand or the name of the platform. Trust your own evidence. And yeah, this is it for this video. See you in the next one.